Hello, welcome to SS Unitech. Susil this side, and this is part 7 of Palantir Foundry video series. So today we are going to see about the restricted view. So the restricted view is very important concept inside the Palantir Foundry, where we are having the dataset, and the dataset we can create a restricted view based on that dataset, and we can also assign the roles and responsibilities. So according to the access that you will be having, you can see the data. So let me quickly go inside the browser and we'll try to implement this in practical. So here we are having this sales dataset. So let me quickly go on that, and this sales dataset is having data for India, USA and UK. And before that, I can show you something which is very interesting here. If I can select any column, right click on that, and we have the option for the view stats. Once we can go on the view stats, it will be going to pick the distinct values from this column and will be showing the count that you can see from here. Like USA is having total 10 rows, India is having total 8 rows, UK is having total 6 rows. So this is very important, and if that column will be having any null values, we can see from here as well. Now let me go back to here on our restricted view. So I am going to create a restricted view based on this data set. So we can select this data set, right click on that, go to action, and inside the action we have a lot of actions, but today I am going to cover the create a restricted view. Let me click on that. So it will be open another window, and inside this window we can call this whatever the name that we wanna specify for this restricted view, but I am going to keep this as default. Let me click on continue. Now here this is our data set. Let me minimize, and if I can show you, so we have this match and the condition, so we can add the conditions here. So I am going to add the condition, and the first condition I am going to take the current user, whoever the login. If we are going to pick the user ID from the login, if this value is equals to, and here I am going to select the static value or the column value, but I am going to select the static value, and as of now we have only a single user, so I am going to specify my name here, but in your case we will be having all the users, whoever is available there. And we can also see the groups, and inside the groups we will be having the members. So if this is Susil, whoever is login as Susil, then the second condition I am going to add like the column, and here I am going to select the column as country, and here I am going to select is included. It will be going to show us the data for UK and USA. So once we are specifying this condition, so it's very straightforward. Like if the current user, whoever is login, is Susil, then it will be going to display the country as UK and USA. I am going to see the data only for these two countries. India's data will not be displaying for me. So we can click on next. Similarly, we can add other conditions as well, but I am going to add only one condition, and here I am keeping this as it is. Click on next and then click on done. So it is creating the restricted view, and if Susil is login, then it will be displaying the data for US and UK only. If the other users will be login, it will not be showing any data. So as you can see, this restricted view, we are having data for USA and UK only. India data is not available for me, and this is very important because the same restricted view we can also use inside the Power BI. So it will be taking the user from the Power BI, and accordingly it will be filtered out from here only, and inside the Power BI having only the data as per the user. So I hope guys you have understood how we can create the restricted view, and how we can write the conditions under that, and how it will be going to work. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.